Hey everyone! Welcome back to Developer Maddy. Today we're stepping up your Excel game by learning about Power Pivot, Excel's secret weapon for building advanced data models and analyzing huge datasets without complex formulas. Let's dive right in. Power Pivot is an Excel add-in that allows you to work with large datasets from multiple sources. Create relationships between different tables, like a database. Perform advanced calculations using DAX formulas. It's like having database-level power inside your regular Excel file. First, you need to enable Power Pivot if you don't see it. Go to File Options Add-ins. At the bottom, in Manage, Calm Add-ins, click Go. Check Microsoft Power Pivot for Excel and click OK. Now you'll see a new tab called Power Pivot on the ribbon. Example dataset. Use two simple tables. Customers table, customer ID, customer name, region. Orders table, order ID, customer ID, amount, date. Let's import two tables into Power Pivot. Click Manage under the Power Pivot tab. Click Get External Data from Other Sources Excel file. Load both customers and orders tables into Power Pivot. Now, we'll create a relationship between these tables. In Power Pivot, go to Diagram View. Drag Customer ID from the Customers table to Customer ID in the Orders table. Boom! You've created a relationship, like a real database. DAX, Data Analysis Expressions, is the formula language used in Power Pivot. It's similar to Excel formulas but more powerful. Simple DAX example. Create a new column to calculate tax. Sat face amount, *0. Create a measure, advanced step. Total sales measure. Equals sum, orders, amount. Now let's build a pivot table using our Power Pivot data model. Go to Insert Pivot Table. Choose Use this workbook's data model. Now you can build a pivot table combining data from both the customers and orders tables. Combining customer name and total sales in the pivot table, something normal pivot tables can't easily do without Power Pivot. And that's your first Power Pivot project. Today we learned what Power Pivot is, how to import and link tables, how to create simple DAX calculations, how to build a powerful pivot table from multiple sources. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment below which DAX formula or data model you want to master next. Thanks for watching Developer Maddy.